My name is Steve Dorfman. I am the head engineer at Sutphen East Corporation, located in Pennsylvania, Lake Ariel, Pennsylvania. We are a division of Sutphen Corp, and we build tankers, pumpers, and rescue trucks. We were building a pumper for the fire department of Clinton Township in Ohio, and the fire chief approached Sutphen requesting information on adding solar panels to their vehicle. The chief is a farmer and has it on his tractors, and he wanted to implement it into his fire department. His council also was looking to go green technology to help with carbon emissions. With my background with knowing Kussmaul and what they offer, I reached out to them to talk about solar panels. Sutphen Chassis, Sutphen East, the customer, and the Kussmaul did a virtual meeting and offered the Freedom eGen system. It's a two-system operation where you have your regular AGM lead batteries and your lithium-ion batteries, and it's using that dual technology to reduce your carbon emissions. 90% of the time, fire trucks are not pumping water. They're going to fire calls and they're sitting there while the firefighters are treating people for EMS. They're treating car accidents, doing reports. So while the truck is idling, you're burning fuel, you're burning carbon emissions. With the lithium-ion batteries, you can shut the truck off and use the batteries to power your emergency lights, your scene lights, and then we have options for air conditioning and heat. By having the system shut down the engine, you're saving fuel, you're saving the carbon emissions, and then you're able to still operate normally. We were able to bring them on board by having multiple ways to charge the batteries, the lithium-ion batteries. When the fire truck is in the station, you can plug it in just like your normal battery charger, and the charger is charging the lithium-ion batteries and your lead-acid batteries. When they're on our fire call, the alternator, when they're driving around, we use dual chemistry alternator. The alternator is charging both batteries at the same time. On top of that, the solar panels is adding additional charge. So instead of getting maybe 1 hour of battery use, they might get now 2 or 3 hours because they have the extra additional charging of the solar panels. It actually went quite well. Our cab roofs are curved to let rain deflect off the sides and not pool on top. So using the flex solar panels from Kussmaul was made a lot easier for us to match our curve of our roof. And then the glue technology was a lot easier instead of drilling a hole into the cab roof. You don't have to worry about any water penetration from any holes being drilled into the cab roof. All my trucks in my department have Kussmaul. We have Kussmaul air ejects, Kussmaul auto ejects for our charging system. Chief Charger was the first one we used. The benefit of the Chief Charger is that it can monitor multiple chemistry batteries. So it can monitor 3 different types, and we're using it to monitor the lead acid batteries and the lithium-ion batteries. With the Kussmaul system, we are able to use 5 batteries, 2 lithium-ion and 3 lead acid batteries. They're able to go into the normal location on the chassis. We don't lose any compartment space. You're not losing you're not adding length to the truck. You're not taking up any dunnage space in the pump module, and it's all contained underneath our cab. Benefit is that it's our same system as on any other truck. So any service technician can work on the system and know exactly what he's looking at. Other thing is we still have a reliable diesel engine that can pump the water and stuff and move the truck. Our company has been using Kussmaul for many years for battery chargers, and it's been a great experience. Their products are top-notch, and they always follow through and are there to help out when needed.